Hello friends, in this video what I am going to tell you, how can you create class activities in QOB software, Quality OB software. So the method I will tell you, it will be easier for you and it will be easier for you to understand this. So first of all, I want to tell you I have already created assignments and quizzes activities in section A on engineering mechanics subject. So I already told you in my previous videos how can you generate or add class activities of assignments and quizzes in your section. So right now let me tell you that what are the class activities I have created in section A. So I have completed class activities creation in the section A, and you can see assignments are created, final exam is created, midterm activity is created, and quizzes are created. And I have assigned the GPA percentage as well. And how I did so? So let me tell you in section B, because I did not generate or create class activities over there. So let's have a start, and I am moving to the engineering mechanics section B. And you can see over here that I have to click on the assessment marks, and then I have to go into the class activities, and you can see there is no class activity in this section. So what I have to do and how can I create it? So let's start from the assignment. So add class activity, you have to go through, and then you have to click on the assignment. When you click on the assignment number 1, and I have given this assignment 24th of August 2020. So what I have to do, I have to go into the 2020, and this is August, and the date is 24th. So let me click on it. So what I have to do, this assignment is of marks 3, total marks 3. So what I have to do, name assignment number 1. So I want to give its name assignment. Let me do that. Assignment number 1. Okay, done. And it is of marks 3, and OB percentage is also 3%, and the CLO is of CLO1. This is from CLO1. And obviously I have to choose the file for the assignment over here, so I can add it because I don't have my quizzes and assignment in this system. So I will add it after that, but you keep it in mind that what you have to do, you have to add these assignments over here in the choose file, but in the PDF format. And one thing I can do it, let me tell you, because I have all the assignments and quizzes on my VLE software, so I can download it from there. So let me show you how can I do that. So let's have a tour to my new share. And before new share, I have to open my VLE software. So this is my VLE SSUT login, and it is also visible over here. So I will log in, and let me share my screen with you. And this is engineering mechanics, and I will get my assignments from here as well. So this is assignment number 1, so I can download it from here. And for example, what I have to do, I have to click on it, and I want to change this, but I cannot do it right now because this is no more visible to me, but I can download it from here. So let me click on it, and it is downloaded. So it must be in my download option, so I can put it from here. So this is assignment number 1, and hopefully it is visible to you. So this is CLO1, and I have to add, and keep it in your mind, your assignment page should be of this is assignment number 1. So it should be in the PDF format, it should be in the JPG, you cannot upload it Word file. So now what I have to do, I have to click on the save, and before going to do save, so we must put GPA weight also, because it is this subject is of total of marks 100. So this is having 3%. So let me save this. So the activity of assignment number 1 is created. You can see over here. Okay, then what happened? We have done or we have created assignment number 1. So now I am moving towards what? I'm moving towards to make assignment number 2. So add class activity, and I have to click on the assignment. This is assignment number 2, and on this date I have taken this. It is on the 25th September. So 25th September 2020. So let me click on the 2020, and this is of September, and this is of 25th, and what it will be 3 marks. Assignment number 2 of 3 marks. So I have to click on this and the activity here. So let me do assignment number 2. Okay, maximum marks of it is 3 marks, and its OB percentage is 3%, and CLO, from which CLO it was of CLO 3. Okay, done. And now I have to choose file. I have already downloaded all the files here. So this is assignment number 2. So I have to click on this, and must be in PDF format. And I have already given the GPA weight, and this is safe. Done. The assignment number 2 is created right now, and then I have to again add assignment number 3, and this is assignment, and this is the last assignment. Assignment number 3 was assigned to the students on 12th of October. 12th of October means 2020. So it was on 12th of October, and it is, let me click on it, 12, and then let me write it down. What is this? Shift assignment 3. So what I have to do here, let me tell you. Okay, then this is assignment number 3, and assignment number 3 is of marks 4, and its OB percentage is also 4. Wait, this is 4, and this is from CLO 2. Now what I have to do, I have to choose the file for the assignment number 3, and where is it? This one. I added up over here, and this is of 4 marks, 4% GPA weight, and then I have to click on the Save tab. So what will happen? I have generated all the 3 class activities of the assignment. Now what I have to do next, I have to add another class activity, and that is of quiz. So let's move on to the online quiz, and I have taken quiz, and it is off on the date of 2nd September 2020. So let me click on the 2020, and this is from September, or you can say it is 2nd September. And how much amount? 3 marks. 3 marks, and then no, I'm not going to total it. And this is quiz number 1. Quiz 1, and this is of marks, total marks, quiz number 1 of 3 marks, and this is from CLO 3, and this is of OB percentage 3, and this is CLO 3. Quiz number 1 is from CLO 3, and I have to choose the file, and this is what? Quiz number 1. Where is the quiz number 1? This one. So what I have to do, let me see whether the screen is shared to you or not. Okay, it is visible to all of you. So now done, and now I have to click on the Save tab. So when I click on the Save tab, then the quiz activity of quiz number 1 is generated. So, or you can say it is created, and then you have to click on the quiz number 2. For the quiz number 2, it was conducted on 28th of October 2020. So it is in October 2020, 28th of October. Let me click on 28, and total of marks, quiz number 2 is of 3 marks, and so percentage will be 3. So right now I have to write it down, quiz 2, and maximum marks of 3, and percentage 3, and this is from quiz number 2, and quiz number 2 is from CLO 1, and then choose file. So quiz number 2, I have to click on it, and this is, I have to save it. So it's done. So now quiz number 2 is also generated. Now I have to add on quiz number 3, and this is how you can see how efficiently I am doing so. So you can also do that in this way when you practice it. It just need practice, and you have to click in on 2020, and it was conducted on 25th of October. 25th of October, you have to click on here, and this of percentage of 4 marks. So it is of 4% GPA weight, and this is quiz number 3. I am having severe fever. Now, quiz number 3, what does it mean by that? 4. Okay, done. And this, I am not going to click on the complexity. So this is PLO1 and PLO2. So you can map with it if you want it. But this is WP1. So this is the complexity. So it is not related to the PLOs. So what I have to do, I have to click 4 percentage, and then which CLO quiz number 3, it is from CLO2. So all the CLOs are touched or signed. For quiz number 3, I have to upload the PDF format. So this is quiz number 3, and where it is done. So I will have to save this. So it's done. There are 3 quizzes and 3 assignments are generated, which I have taken during the semester. And now I have to create the class activity, that is the midterm activity. So midterm or sessional exams, you can say. And this is not one. And what is the date of the midterm exam? It is of 15 September 2020. So I have to click on 15 on September 15. I have to click 15/9/2020, and it is of how much marks? Total 30 marks. So its GPA weight should be 30. And what is next? Next. So now what you have to do, I have taken 3 questions in the midterm exam. So I have to write it down. Question 1. Oh my God, it is all caps lock. So let me click shift question 1. Okay, question 1 of 10 marks, and it is obviously 10 percentage, and it is from CLO1. I have given in the sequence, so I will upload the paper from midterm paper here. And where is the midterm paper? I forgot to download it. This is the final exam, and where is the midterm paper? It's not here. So let me download it from where? It's very easy and easy peasy job. So let me do that from where is the midterm exam in this week. So let me download it, and then I will get it from here. So this one. So now it is downloaded, and I can easily upload it. This is the CV 111 Engineering Mechanics. And where did I upload final exams paper? Okay, done. Then I have to click on save. No, there is no need right now, because I have to add more question, because I have given only one question. So other question was question number 2. And then what I have to do, it is of 10 marks. It is 10 percentage, and then it is from CLO2. And there is no need to upload the paper over here, because I have already uploaded the paper in the question number 1. So there is no need of it. Now I have to add another part, because there is the third question also in the midterm paper. So I have to add it here. Question 3, and it is of 10 marks, and its OB percentage is also 10, and a CLO from CLO3. So it's all done, and you should also check this whether you define the GPA weight. It is 30%. So I have to save. When I save it, so midterm activity is created of 30 marks. So now only one class activity is left, and that one is the final exam. So I have to click on the final exam 1, and it was conducted on 10th of November 2020. So I have to click 2020, and I have to go on November, and it is on 10th November. So I have to click on it, and this is of 50 percentage, because there were 5 questions each of 10 marks. So I have to write down question 1, and it is of 10 marks, 10 percentage, and it is from CLO 1. Okay, then I have to choose the file before going to do that. So I have to download the final exam paper from my VLE, and you can see how much VLE is very useful. You can you can use, you can find papers easily and you can download it. So it's not a big deal anymore. So next is what? CV triple one engineering mechanics paper. Okay, done. Uploaded, and now I have to add more activities of questions. You can see sub activities or questions. So I have to add question number 2 here, and question number 2, question 2. This is question number 2, maximum marks 10, and this is of 10 percentage. It is from CLO 2. Yeah, no, it is from CLO 1 again. It's up to you. It's up to the teacher, whatever CLO he or she wants to select it. Now, this is question number 2. Now, I have to add another one. There is no need to add file because you have already uploaded it. So, this is question 3. It is of 10 marks. It is also of 10. And CLO. Question number 3 is from CLO 2. Then add more. Question number 4. Question 4. And it is of 10 marks. It is also of 10 percentage. And then this is from CLO. Question number 4. Question number 4 is from 1, 2, 3, 4, CLO 3. CLO 3. Question number 4 was from CLO 3. And then I have to add more. Question number 5. Question 5. Question number 5, 10 marks, 10 percentage. And this is from CLO 3. And then, so what I have to do, then I have to click on the Save tab. So you can see final exam activity is also created of 3 marks, and you can calculate all these marks, 50 plus 30, 80, and this will become 10, 90, and this will become 10, 100. So total marks of 100 marks paper, and now I have to click on the copy GPA weight. So when I click on it, so you can see the GPA percentages 3%, 3%, 4%, 50%, 30%. Now it has become, it was coming like 0.1, 0.2. So now it gets okay, and it is according to our total percentage of 100. So now you will calculate it. So when you sum up all these marks or all these GPAs, so when you add up, so you will get the 100%. So this is the way you can create the class activities in your sections of QOB. Hopefully it will be helpful for you and you will understand it in the easiest way. And you can see one more thing here. If you want to make any changes or you want to make updates, so what you have to do, you have to click on this. You have lots of ways and options over here: update, add class activity outcome, download Excel template, import class activity, PDF question paper, Word question paper, add attachment. There are lots of things. And if you want to delete this, so you can delete this as well. So hopefully you will get my point and you will understand it. How can you generate your class activities in your sections? These are the class activities for the theory class, and if you want to add class activities in your lab sections, so you can add a project viva and all that, so you can easily do it over there. So I also have lab sections as well, so I will tell you in my more videos. So keep watching it and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification, so you will get more updates on my channel and it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.